Every software team wants to build great things, but so often they end up fighting confusion instead of actually writing code. So today, we're going to look at a blueprint and a power tool that are designed to fix exactly that, combining the C4 model with the Elixir language. All right, let's get into it. So here's a problem that pretty much every software team runs into, right? Complexity. It's like the more people and ideas you throw at a project, the harder it gets to keep everyone aligned and, well, pulling in the same direction. And that brings up a really important question for any team. Are you building a unified system, or are you accidentally building a software tower of Babel? You know the feeling, right? It's where different parts of the team are speaking totally different technical languages. And all that leads to is confusion, delays, and a system that just feels cobbled together. So how do you fix that? Well, the first step is getting everyone a shared map. And that's where C4 comes in. Think of it as your architectural blueprint. It's designed to give everyone on the project a common language to speak. Now, the real magic of C4 is just how simple it is. We're not talking about some super dense academic framework here. No, the whole point is that it's an easy-to-learn, developer-friendly approach that uses simple diagrams that, honestly, anyone can get, from the project manager all the way down to the newest developer on the team. And the benefits? They go right after that Tower of Babel problem we talked about. Suddenly, clear communication isn't something you have to fight for. It just happens. New people on the team, they can get up to speed way faster because the map is right there for them. Architecture reviews get simpler, and you can spot risks from a mile away. Really, at its heart, C4 is all about one thing: making it easier to work together. Okay, so how does it actually work? Well, the trick is its ability to let you zoom in. It gives you clarity at every single level, from that big 10,000-foot view all the way down to the nitty-gritty of the code. It's all broken down into this logical hierarchy, a journey from the big idea to the final product. So you start at level 1, the system context. That's your big picture. Then you can zoom in to level 2, containers, where you start to see the major tech pieces. Your web app, your database, that kind of stuff. Zoom in again to level 3, components, and you see the key building blocks inside each of those containers. And finally, when you really need the details, you drop down to level 4, the actual code. All right, so C4 gives us the blueprint, but a plan is useless without the right tools to actually build the thing. And that's where our power tool comes in, Elixir. It's a language that is just built for the crazy demands of the modern web. And it's not some obscure language. People are really catching on. I mean, listen to this from Elixir School. Its popularity has skyrocketed. Why? Because it just flat out solves the really tough problems that modern apps face, especially when it comes to things like scalability and handling thousands and thousands of users at once. So what's the secret sauce here? Well, it really comes down to 3 things. First off, it's a functional language, which means you tend to get cleaner code with way fewer bugs. Second, it's built on top of the legendary Erlang system, and that's the same super solid foundation that's been powering huge telecom networks for decades. And third, the ecosystem around it is just buzzing. It's vibrant, it's growing, and you're never starting from zero. And when I say the ecosystem is vibrant, I mean it's huge. Just think about this. We're talking over 13,000 available packages on Hex, its official manager. That's a massive library of tools at your fingertips. This isn't some little niche language anymore. It's a mature, battle-tested platform that's ready for some serious work. Okay, so let's put the 2 pieces together, the blueprint and the build. Let's see how C4 and Elixir team up to create this really smooth flow, all the way from the first design sketch to the final deployment. And here's why they fit together so perfectly. C4 gives you that shared map, right? It helps you manage complexity when you're in the design phase. Meanwhile, Elixir gives you the raw power to manage complexity in the implementation. It's like one clarifies the vision and the other one makes it happen. The thought and the action. When you boil it all down, you get this really simple but powerful equation. Clear blueprints plus powerful tools equals better software. And you know what? It also equals happier teams because it lets people stop fighting chaos and actually focus on creating amazing things. So I want to leave you with this one question to think about. Think about your own team, your own projects.
Seriously, what could you build if you had a clearer blueprint and more powerful tools? That's the kind of potential you unlock when you put a great plan together with a great way to build it.